power of testosterone is a cornerstone of men's health. Testosterone. It's a word synonymous with masculinity, often associated with strength, virility, and drive. But what exactly is testosterone, and why is it so important for men? Beyond these common perceptions, testosterone is a crucial hormone that plays a vital role in men's overall health and well-being. It is produced primarily in the testicles and is responsible for the development of male reproductive tissues, as well as promoting secondary sexual characteristics, such as increased muscle and bone mass. From building muscle mass and maintaining bone density to influencing mood, energy levels, and cognitive function, testosterone's impact is far-reaching. It also plays a role in the production of red blood cells and the regulation of fat distribution in the body. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, often leading to a cascade of health concerns. This decline typically begins around the age of 30 and continues gradually over time. These can include decreased muscle mass and strength, increased body fat, low energy levels, reduced libido, and even mood swings and depression. The decline in testosterone can also affect cognitive functions, leading to issues with memory and concentration. While these changes are a natural part of aging, there are ways to naturally support healthy testosterone levels and mitigate the effects of this decline. Lifestyle choices play a significant role in maintaining optimal testosterone levels. This brings us to the crux of our discussion. How can men naturally boost their testosterone levels without resorting to synthetic hormones or risky interventions? The key lies in understanding the factors that influence testosterone production and making informed choices to support it. The answer lies in embracing a holistic lifestyle approach that prioritizes healthy habits. This means looking at the bigger picture and making changes that benefit overall health, which in turn supports healthy testosterone levels. This includes focusing on dietary modifications, incorporating regular physical activity, prioritizing quality sleep, and effectively managing stress. A balanced diet rich in nutrients, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are all crucial components. In the following sections, we'll delve into each of these aspects, providing scientifically backed insights and practical tips to empower you on your journey to naturally optimizing your testosterone levels. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining your health and vitality as you age. Testosterone, often referred to as the male hormone, plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle mass, bone density, and even mood regulation. Ensuring optimal levels of this hormone can significantly impact overall health and well-being. The old adage, "You are what you eat," holds particularly true when it comes to hormone health, including testosterone production. The nutrients we consume daily are the building blocks for our body's complex hormonal systems. The food we consume provides the building blocks for hormone synthesis, and the quality of these building blocks can make a significant difference. Fresh whole foods are packed with the nutrients necessary for optimal hormone production, and certain dietary choices can either support or hinder this process. Processed foods laden with unhealthy fats and sugars can disrupt hormone balance, while natural unprocessed foods can enhance it. One of the most impactful dietary changes you can make to naturally boost testosterone is to maintain a healthy weight. Regular physical activity, combined with a balanced diet, can help achieve and maintain this goal. Studies have shown a strong correlation between obesity and low testosterone levels. Excess weight, particularly around the abdomen, can lead to hormonal imbalances that reduce testosterone. Excess body fat, particularly in the abdominal area, can increase the production of an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. This conversion can significantly lower the available testosterone in the body, which converts testosterone into estrogen. This enzyme's activity is heightened in individuals with higher body fat percentages, making weight management crucial for hormone health. Furthermore, chronic inflammation, often triggered by a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, can also negatively impact testosterone production. Inflammation is the body's response to harmful stimuli, but chronic inflammation can lead to long-term health issues, can also negatively impact testosterone production. Foods high in sugars and unhealthy fats can exacerbate this inflammation, further disrupting hormonal balance. These inflammatory responses can disrupt the delicate hormonal balance within the body, leading to a decline in testosterone. Chronic inflammation can affect various systems in the body, making it harder to maintain optimal hormone levels, leading to a decline in testosterone. Stress and poor diet are significant contributors to this imbalance, highlighting the importance of a holistic approach to health. Therefore, adopting a balanced and nutrient-rich diet is paramount for optimizing testosterone levels. This means focusing on foods that are rich in essential nutrients and avoiding those that can cause harm. This includes prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are not only beneficial for hormone health but also for overall well-being. Vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Incorporating a variety of these foods ensures that the body gets a wide range of nutrients necessary for hormone production. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat inflammation, support hormonal balance, and provide the raw materials for testosterone synthesis. Vitamins like D and B, minerals like zinc and magnesium, and antioxidants are essential, the testosterone-boosting plate supercharging your diet. Now that we've established the importance of a healthy diet for testosterone production, let's dive into specific foods that deserve a prominent place on your plate. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to increased testosterone levels. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale contain compounds that help reduce estrogen levels, indirectly boosting testosterone. Ginger, this pungent root, has anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown to potentially increase testosterone levels. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds, are excellent sources of zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats, all crucial for testosterone production. Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse, are packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamin D, which plays a role in testosterone synthesis. Incorporating these testosterone-boosting foods into your diet, along with a focus on overall healthy eating patterns, can significantly contribute to optimizing your hormone levels. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's information that directly influences your body's hormonal symphony. Exercise, your natural testosterone booster. When you think about enhancing your testosterone levels naturally, exercise stands out as one of the most effective methods. It's not just about getting fit, it's about optimizing your body's hormonal balance. When it comes to boosting testosterone naturally, few things are as potent as regular physical activity. Engaging in consistent exercise routines can significantly impact your overall health and well-being, leading to a more balanced hormonal profile. Exercise, this type of training involves activities that require your muscles to exert force against resistance, such as lifting weights or using resistance bands. Resistance training such as weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, or resistance band workouts put stress on your muscles, signaling your body to produce more testosterone to support muscle growth and repair. This process not only helps in building muscle mass, but also enhances your strength and endurance. Studies have consistently shown that individuals who engage in regular resistance training experience significant increases in testosterone levels. These increases are not just temporary. With consistent effort, you can maintain elevated testosterone levels over the long term. However, it's not just about lifting heavy weights. Incorporating a variety of exercises and training methods can provide a more comprehensive approach to boosting testosterone. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has also been shown to elevate testosterone levels. This form of exercise involves alternating between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods, effectively boosting your metabolism and challenging your hormonal system. This type of training not only enhances cardiovascular health, but also stimulates the production of testosterone. Beyond the immediate testosterone-boosting effects, regular exercise offers a plethora of additional benefits that indirectly support hormonal balance. For instance, exercise is known to reduce stress levels, which can have a positive impact on your hormonal health. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, reduces stress levels, improves insulin sensitivity, and promotes better sleep, all factors that contribute to optimal testosterone production. A healthy lifestyle supported by regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance. Therefore, make it a priority to incorporate both resistance training and high-edge workouts into your weekly routine. A balanced approach to exercise can help you achieve and maintain optimal testosterone levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with 2 to 3 sessions of resistance training. This combination of aerobic and resistance exercises ensures that you are targeting different aspects of fitness, which collectively contribute to better hormonal health. Additionally, consider joining group exercise classes or community fitness programs. These can provide motivation, accountability, and a sense of camaraderie, making it easier to stick to your fitness goals. If you're new to exercise or unsure where to start, working with a personal trainer can be incredibly beneficial. A trainer can help you create a customized workout plan that aligns with your fitness level and goals, ensuring that you are performing exercises correctly and safely. Remember, exercise is just one piece of the puzzle. Pairing your workouts with a healthy diet rich in nutrients that support testosterone production such as zinc and vitamin D can further enhance your results. Consistency is key. By making exercise a regular part of your lifestyle, you can enjoy the long-term benefits of improved testosterone levels, better overall health, and enhanced quality of life. So lace up those sneakers, grab those weights, and start your journey toward a healthier, more balanced you. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you've learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy,